Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Kia Optima LX. Under the hood we have an i4 2.4 liter engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look around. This guy comes in kind of a dark gray and it looks very nice, plus you do have the Kia logo right up front here and a little bit of chrome accenting on that grille there. You have halogen headlights here with the projector style as well, and you do got some fog lights just down there. Now it does ride on a pair of 16-inch wheels, and they are Nexen brand, and there's still quite a bit of tread left on those guys. Plus the the rims look very nice on there in the black, stand out nicely. You got a little bit of accenting there, and you do have the turning signals on the lights right there as well. Coming around the back here, we do have the Kia logo and the Optima logo. Now you just got to press this button, and it does open it up for you. A little bit exhausty over here. Now you do have quite a bit of room back here actually, and it's very soft as well. It'll keep things safe. Lots of room for storing whatever you might need to. Let's jump on inside here. Perfect. So on the door here you do have electronic windows, mirrors, and locks all right here. Plus you got your handle here. Bit of storage here and a bit more down here. You have electronic seat, so you can make go back and forward and tilt back and forth, as well as the lumbar support right there. Keep your back nice and healthy. This guy here is the control over your lights, as well as your traction control. And this guy here is for your lights as well, your auto, your off, your daytime running lights and all that, plus your turning signals and your high beams. Okay, vehicle's already started up, but we do got our keys here, so you do have the lock, unlock, and you can hold to open up your trunk there. It's already started up for us. Let's take a look in the middle here. So we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature over there and what gear we're in. You got your trip A and B, you got your distance to empty, you got your average fuel economy, you got your average speed, all of that stuff, elapsed time, all right in the center there. You can control all those things from here. So you have your volume up and down, you got your selector, you got your mode, you have your eco, your trip, and your reset all right there. Let's focus on that a little bit better. There we go. Plus you have your hang up, your call out button, your voice recognition, and then your cruise control options here as well. This guy here does control your windshield wipers. All right there. You do have your display in the center here in the very nice red color. You have a CD player up here, as well as you have FM and AM. You have your Sirius Satellite Radio. It does come with a year of Sirius as well when you do purchase a vehicle. You got your CD, you got your volume up and down, plus your off. This is your tracking, your scan, your mute, your folders, and then also you have your presets here. And that guy is your browser. Down here you have your clock. You can adjust that very easily right there. Then you also have your front and rear defrost, your hazard lights, and then where it's going to blow out of, plus the power here, and your circulation in the center, and then your AC and all that right there. Down here you do have two plugins, two 12-volt plugins, plus an aux cord, a iPod plug-in, and a USB. Then this guy here is your gear shift, so just like that, how you shift gears. You got your seat warmers here, very nice. And then you also have your cup holders. They're in a very nice position too, which is really cool. You have your center console here, and you can open that up, and you got some room in there. You can remove this guy, and you got even more to store whatever you might need to store in there. And then over here you do have your glove box with your owner's manual in it. Up top you do have your door lights. You can turn those on and off. You have your sunglass holder, plus this is the controls for your sunroof, and there's your sunroof right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. They do have the control over their windows there, as well as their handle. A little bit of storage here, a little bit more down here. You can put a water bottle or something down here. And it is very soft as well, very nice feeling, and there's a lot of leg room. Plus you do have your own vents there, keep you nice and warm. And then if they did want, you can pull that down, and you got some cup holders and an armrest right there. And there's your 2.4 i4 engine in there, and it looks great. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2013 Kia Optima LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.